boy Dean. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another home show with Rolle Estate. Let's get it. Alright guys, we're out in Hampton, Virginia today. We got this nice little two-story home. If y'all didn't already know, some people refer to Hampton, Virginia as cross the water, or at least I do. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, built in 1999, a little over 2,000 square feet. Let's check it out. What's going on, everybody? Gotta appreciate this high ceiling for you right here. They don't make them like this much anymore. Alright, so got the staircase sitting right here, goes upstairs. I'm gonna lead you guys over to the formal living room. You guys may remember growing up as a kid, this is probably a room where you had a Christmas tree or the room where your parents had furniture that you couldn't touch. Very large and spacious room. It's probably one of the biggest I've seen in a while. Also, we're gonna make our way to the formal dining room. Very big dining room here. Got nice views to the side street here. This house is a corner lot, so you do have a lot of ample parking. If you're like the type of person who likes to have a lot of guests, you got the space for them. Make our way over to this kitchen. Got a nice eating area here. If you notice, we're in the morning time. It's a lot of natural light coming through here. Me personally, I can't have a house without a lot of natural light. It's just part of me. That's why I sell solar. So we have a open kitchen concept here. We also have a big living room, den, whatever you may call it here, where you can kind of entertain all your guests, all your family. You have a nice deck in the backyard if you can see it through the windows. This room is fairly big. Zoo, the test of tests. I'm gonna patent this test. If you see this test anywhere, they stole it from me. All right, everybody loves football. The test of tests is you have to put your hand on the fridge and see if you can see the TV from where you're standing. Because there's been many times I've gotten up, go to the fridge, and I have missed a touchdown, and I have lost it when I got back to the couch. So from here, you can see the TV, which will normally sit right there. So we're good, we passed the test. Let's go. Make our way back to the front foyer. To our right, we have a laundry room. Wash and dry goes in here with the room, with the door that actually proceeds through, goes to a 2-car garage. So yes, you do get a 2-car garage with this home. And we also have a half bath sitting right here. All right, so all you guests, if they gotta use the bathroom, pop up, use the bathroom, get on out. Let's go upstairs. Getting a little high in here. Oh, y'all already know. Shout out to the 7 Shades brand. Black men deserve to grow old. You already know the count. Let's check out bedroom number 1. So, we got a nice spacious bedroom here. It actually faces the street. One of the biggest rooms here aside from the main bedroom. Very ample closet space here. Not gonna take y'all in here, but the closet actually goes from the wall to about right here. So it's enough to fit all your clothes if you're one of those people that got a whole bunch of clothes. Got a full bathroom to the right. Kind of know what you're gonna get with that. Come in here to bedroom number 2. One of the 3 bedrooms which actually faces the backyard. Very nice spacious room here. I think this room would be really, really nice for a growing family, man. There's a lot of potential in this house. Bedroom number 3. Very much like bedroom number 2. As we make our way here, we have the main bedroom. Kind of know what goes down in here. High ceiling, very nice light. Man, I really think this house will be something really amazing, man. If you did some minor upgrades in this home, like let's just say you do some flooring throughout the house, you do some paint. One thing I want y'all to understand is a can of paint may be worth $20 in the can, but it could be worth thousands of dollars when it's on the wall. So Zoo, if you could, let's show them this bathroom, man. This bathroom is really nice here. Very large bathroom in there. Don't forget to show them that closet, bro. Don't forget to show them that closet. A lot of space in that closet right there. Let's take you guys out back. Ooh, that's not hitting out here, boy. So you got yourself a nice little backyard back here, man. I mean, a lot of people always say I want the large backyard until you realize you got to cut that shit. So you got enough back here, man, to have a nice time back here, man. Got a shed back here, you got a deck. Really all you need to entertain everybody you know, man, and love. All right, guys, I want to thank y'all for joining me on this home tour. I want to give a special shout out to Edwin, Rodriquez, and Dion with the home matchmaker team at Iron Valley Real Estate for allowing me to show this property. If you guys got any questions or any, just want to know about houses in the Hampton Roads area, I could be your guy. Y'all can reach me at at dean@rolleestate.com. I'm gonna put it right here. Other than that, y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Y'all be easy. Go.